Today's our topic name is Battle for Bihar. Here the meaning of battle comes like war or to fight for the Bihar, or even like it also comes like taking a stand for the Bihar. Nitish is seeking a new mandate with emotive rhetoric deflecting to the debate on performance. Here, the meaning of rhetoric means like having an effective speaking skills or like an attractive speaking skills, divert the debate on performance. Like here, the Nitish, like he was seeking for to get a mandate, like a candidate like who have a good speaking skills and who have an effective speaking skills against the people, and who also have like a diversion technique to debate a topic. The assembly election in Bihar will be taking place in unprecedented circumstances over three phases in the last week of October and the first week of November. Like the assembly elections in the Bihar, like we have some elections, right, to select some of the people. So for that, the elections will be taken like they were a date like they will be taking the end of the December, end of the October or the starting of the November. We don't know. So like it will be connected in the three phases. This will be the first assembly election since COVID-19 disrupt normal life and the performance of the government on the health and economic fronts and become an issue in the election campaign. Like here, this election will be based upon the political service during the COVID-19 pandemic. Like the people will select according to how the particular government have taken a stand for us when we are in a COVID-19 situation. Like they will think about all the economic fronts and the healthy about the health fronts, and they will finally give a good performance after seeing the performance of the government, and then they will give a judgment to decide whom as their assembly leader. Chief Minister Nitish record of 15 years is mixed. After initial improvements in the governments after he took over in 2015-5, there was evident in accumulating the bungled bandling on pandemic. So here like there are different he took many of the stands also for doing some of the things, and to like he had made a thing like he had did continuously for the 15 years like since 2005. It is not that the NDA is free from the internal squabbles. Union Minister Ram Vilas Pavan is sulking after the entry of another Dalit leader, Jitam Ram Manji, into the alliance. Like there were the different type of fights to allow this or not allow this. Like they were discussing about the entry of another party, and like given the secrecy building, they were like that. Then many of the things they will discuss, right? So everything was going on now. Still, the social coalition of the upper caste, non-Yadav backward caste, and the considerable segments of the Dalits behind the NDA is largely intact of the campaign formally begins. So some of the parties were seeing some of the Dalits and some of the Yadavs like very differently. They seem very cheap. Like they were not understanding them very well. And they were seeing them very cheap. So this must not be done again and again. And they must also they must not only respect all the rich people and not the upper class. They must also encourage some of the people who are like very much low in their positions. So even then they will also consider all the facts, and finally they will do an election campaign, and finally after seeing the behavior or by seeing the government since the COVID, finally they will select a number. It is not unreachable, but the opposition commanded by RDA leader Tejasvi Pratap does not appear battle ready. But there were some of the leaders were not like they were not ready to get the battle. The RJD, the Congress, and the left might ultimately form an alliance, but not before more had bad blood has generated and confusion spread among their supporters. This will be the first Bihar Assembly election in 30 years in which the Latif Prasad is not the central campaigner. So from since 13 years, since 13 years, Lalu Prasad was going on campaigning, but this will be the first year to campaign without him, and like since so he was going on campaign for 30 years, and now the assembly elections will start. The junior Yadav is often compared unfairly to his father. So the Yadav is not that much compared to his father. He deserted the BJP in 2013 and won the 15th election in the affluence of RJD only to return to the BJP. So he also won as a minister by trying from 2013 to 2015, like over science in 2013, and finally has succeeded in 2015. With the RJD. His popularity is waning while the BJP is on the defensive on questions of the border security, economic stagnation, and farmer backlash. The state and the center jointly and separately mismanaged the return of migrant workers from other states to the Bihar during the lockdown. And some of the states and some of the governments also helped some of the laborers to migrate from one place to another. So even they also supported the migrants who moved from one place to another, and they finally supported them. They have held together to distract the debate from substantive issues to emotive rhetoric. The suspected suicide of film actor who hailed from Bihar is being used by both parties to fan cash and parochial emotions. Like some of the government is also using their, like there was a actor right Sushant's death. Like they were also taking it as an issue and they were trying to enter into the BJP. The brazenly patriotism of candidate of Rajya Sabha Deputy Chairperson Harvinash and the member of JD during the monsoon section is being hailed as the conference into Bihari, and he criticized and tabled anti-Bihar. Hamstrung by his siblings and dealing with the changed social environment, he was tough tasked to selectively appropriating his father's legacy and selectively disowning it. Now for Arab also it was a difficult task to take away his father's thing, and even it is also a difficult task for him to grab all the party's powers and disowning it. Muslims constitute nearly 17% of the state's population. It will be interesting to watch how the NDA and the RJDA answers from them regarding the national population register and allied concerns. So now it became an interesting topic to see the war between the father and the son, and also about and they were also doing this all the campaigns again according to national population register. The election will be a health check of India's democracy in the most pandemic era. This is potential for a new imagination in Bihar, but unfortunately it is not visible to the horizon yet. So it's just an imagination for the Bihar and different type of the things who are thinking to take a stand for this, and finally there is a conclusion, but they not came until the end of the topic, and they were being going on trying to go against them, and they were also trying to build their own, and they were also trying to disown the NDA is trying to disowning the HDA parties. So it became an interesting topic nowadays to see a war between those two parties. Here the meanings are rhetoric, as we discussed it before. The meaning of rhetoric means like oratory, eloquence, art of effective speaking is called as rhetoric. Deflecting means divert or to divert, like to divert from a particular situation is called as divert or revert. Disrupt means like to disturb or disorganize. Parcoval means like narrow-minded, inward-looking, unconventional, or enslaved. Like to have a straight-looking or to have a small-side thinking. Brazen means bold, shameless. Patrician means a strong supporter, like who will support in every moment and who will also a good follower and a strong follower. Ethos means spirit, character, mood, climate. Culminating means reach a climax, peak, led up to. Bungled means carry out clumsily or incompletely or badly done. Embrace means hug, hold, accept, or take up. Warning means disappear, decrease, or diminish. Like warning means like the popularity was being banished, like it is being diminished. Protracted means prolonged or extended or drawn out or elongated. Perverse means awkward, contrary, illogical, irrational. Outset means beginning something. Pyrrhic means victory not worth winning because the winner has lost so much in winning it. Unable means like not easily or not capable for working successfully. Squabbles means quarrel, argument, or fight. Alliance means associating, union, or territory, or treaty, or a pack. Hamstrung means cripple, lame, disable, or handicap. Salutary means beneficial, good, advantageous, healthy, or salubrious. Retrospective means like backdated or not approved. Thank you.